Today's date is June 12th, 2009. I mentioned on eBay that this bike was going to be hard to start, but I took the time to get it started, and now it starts off pretty easily. You can see it's a single-cylinder engine. The bike is in good shape, hasn't been used very much. Here's the pictured scratch right there. There's your handlebars. Here's your odometer. After I got it started, I took it for a spin. Went 0.8 kilometers. The gas cap needs to be opened with the key. Alright, as I mentioned before, the battery is dead. You can see the neutral light is not coming on. Alright, I'm going to start this up for you. Should take one kick. There it goes. Now the neutral light is back on. As you can see, it runs. It is in good condition. Now I will show you the blinkers. Turn on the lights. Here's the blinkers. Horn. Not very nice horn, but the horn works. As you can see, the bike is as described in the eBay listing, and happy bidding.